Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore how to enable the QR code icon in Google Chrome on your PC, following the latest updates. This feature allows you to quickly generate QR codes for any web page, making sharing links easier than ever. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to download it from the official website. Once you have Chrome up and running, look at the top right corner of your window. Next, click on the three dots. This is the menu icon that gives you access to various options and settings within the browser. It's a crucial step in customizing your browsing experience. Now, scroll down to Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust your preferences and features in Chrome. Here, you'll find a variety of options to enhance your browsing. Once in Settings, navigate to Appearance on the left sidebar. Under this section, you'll see options related to how Chrome looks and functions. Click on it to proceed. After that, look for Customize your toolbar. This option allows you to manage what icons appear on your toolbar, including the QR code feature we want to enable. Here comes the key step. Disable QR code if it's currently enabled. This may seem counterintuitive, but sometimes toggling a feature off and then back on can help reset its functionality. Finally, after adjusting these settings, close the Settings tab and return to your browsing window. You should now see the QR code icon available when you right-click on a web page or click the Share button in the address bar. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled the QR code icon on Google Chrome for PC. Now you can generate QR codes effortlessly for any web page you visit, making it easier to share links with friends or colleagues. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing.